Allow me to venture a guess, you've probably realized that in 2024, the prime strategy for earning income involves identifying the ideal niche within TikTok's creative sphere. Well, my comrades, you're in luck. I'll be exploring the trending TikTok niches presently, utilizing four main criteria: market saturation, audience size, content creation simplicity, and production expenses. Following that, I'll assign a rating ranging from F to A+ to each niche based on these factors. Intrigued? Let's delve in. First on the list is Clips pages. I imagine many of you have contemplated launching an anonymous TikTok page dedicated to sharing various clips at some juncture. It's newbie-friendly and has been hailed by numerous online voices as a profitable pursuit, some alleging earnings exceeding $10,000 monthly solely through this avenue. Nonetheless, here's the crux: it's fiercely competitive. While there are diverse angles to explore, such as streamer clips, podcast excerpts, or YouTuber highlights, the reality remains that the most popular avenues have been thoroughly explored. On a positive note, if you select the right theme, the potential audience is vast, and content creation is both uncomplicated and cost-free. I even showcased this in a video I crafted a few months back on this platform. Consequently, owing to its accessibility for novices, I award Clips pages a grade B. However, there's a caveat. Due to its lack of originality, numerous creators find their videos excluded from the For You page or even disqualified from the TikTok creative program. Therefore, in terms of monetizing through TikTok's creative program, Clips pages garner a final score of C-. Nevertheless, if you're keen on launching a Clips page, I suggest perusing and drawing inspiration from real-time podcast clips and streamer clips. Now, let's discuss the games niche. This typically encompasses games like Higher or Lower, or Would You Rather, among others. This niche has steadily gained traction throughout TikTok's existence, but encounters a significant obstacle: creating videos lasting 1 minute or longer. You see, the TikTok creative program only rewards views on videos lasting 1 minute or more. Consequently, creators have had to splice together multiple videos into one, potentially resulting in decreased viewer retention. Additionally, while it's not oversaturated, it's reasonably competitive, and the target audience isn't the largest. Nevertheless, the major advantage is that content creation is straightforward and free, particularly if you utilize platforms like CapCut, Canva, or FlexClip. Considering all factors, I rate the game's niche a B-. Some noteworthy pages in this niche worth exploring include Would You Rather and Mr. Riddle. Proceeding to niche number 3, the Reddit storytelling niche. Last year, this undoubtedly stood out as the most popular faceless niche on TikTok, with individuals effortlessly raking in over $10,000 a month. However, here we are in 2024. Is it still a viable niche? Let's examine. In terms of saturation, it's now fiercely competitive, owing to its peak popularity in 2023. Nonetheless, there's still a substantial target audience, which remains a significant advantage despite the saturation. Discovering and crafting fresh content can be a laborious and time-intensive task. However, generating content on Canva is entirely cost-free. Consequently, for revenue generation in 2024, I would assign Reddit stories a C+ grade overall. Similarly to Clips pages, Minecraft Park Hour content is encountering removal on TikTok due to lack of originality. Nevertheless, if you're inclined to initiate a Reddit Stories page, I suggest exploring 2 exemplary pages, alright? Transitioning to niche number 4, the AI motivation niche. Motivational content remains perpetually in vogue, a fact I can personally vouch for since I launched my own TikTok page in 2022, and amassed 500,000 followers in a mere 6 months. In 2024, motivational videos retain their popularity, if not surpassing it. However, owing to copyright concerns, creators have had to adapt, prompting the emergence of AI-generated content. Such content is inherently original, thereby fully eligible for monetization, safeguarding against removal from the FYP or rejection by the creativity program due to lack of originality. Regarding the key metrics mentioned earlier, the niche is highly competitive. However, given the immense target audience, motivation remains a niche unlikely to reach oversaturation. Moreover, content creation is exceptionally facile and cost-free. I recommend acquiring voiceovers through 11 Labs or opting for the talking head approach, with ample tutorials available online, including on YouTube. Alternatively, platforms like ShortX can automate the entire process for you. I'll include a link to ShortX with my discount code in the description and pinned comment. Overall, in 2024, AI motivation stands as one of the superior niches, earning an A rating. Mad M Quotes and Elevat with Shan are 2 pages I recommend exploring within this niche, before we proceed to the next niche. Additionally, if you're new here, ensure to subscribe below to never miss out on any further TikTok advice or money-making videos. Niche number 5 is AI comparison videos. This represents one of the freshest niches on this list, skyrocketing to popularity seemingly out of nowhere, spurred by a priceless pancake video that many of you may have already seen. Since then, it has experienced exponential growth in popularity. The concept of many of these videos involves AI comparisons of objects ranging from $1 to $10, $100, and beyond. This approach captivates the audience early and maintains their engagement throughout the video. Who wouldn't want to see how a pancake looks at $10, then at $11,000, and so forth? Fortunately, this niche has yet to become oversaturated, benefiting from a massive target audience. Content creation is also swift, although the paid version of ChatGPT is required to generate images. Aside from this minor requirement, this niche has swiftly ascended and warrants the highest rating of an A+. Additionally, I can hint at a forthcoming website that will automate the entire TikTok production process. It's not available just yet, but I've reached out to their support team, and they assure me that the public release is imminent. What I can confirm is that as soon as it launches, I'll be creating a video about it. Therefore, make sure to subscribe below because I want you to fully capitalize on this opportunity before it becomes widespread. Oh, and Cameron AI and Signal AI are 2 pages within the AI comparison niche that I highly recommend exploring for inspiration. As for niche number 6, we have the AI storytelling niche. Short-form storytelling has gained considerable traction over time. However, with the advent of TikTok's creativity program, which rewards creators for videos lasting 1 minute or more, storytelling has flourished. These videos have become a prime choice because they're easily adaptable to the 1-minute requirement. With a compelling hook and an engaging narrative, you can maintain high viewer engagement, a crucial factor in viral video success. The breadth of storytelling allows for a wide range of topics, such as conspiracy theories, historical anecdotes, or even chilling tales. It's essential to think creatively to stand out. However, the primary drawback of this niche is the time-consuming editing process if you aim to keep production costs low. Therefore, overall, I rate storytelling at a B+.